We are continuing lesson number 7, Introduction to HTML. Children, today we will discuss center tag. Center tag is used for centering the text. It center align the text. And also if you want to place the picture in the center, we will use center tag. Now we will understand how can we use center tag. So children, we will write a HTML program. We will start our HTML program with HTML tag. HTML tag से हम program start करेंगे. Children, it has a two section, head section and body section. First we just write about the head section. हम head tag का use करेंगे. And to show the title on the title bar my page, we use title tag. And after that we will just use closing tag of title / title tag, and then we will just use / head tag to close the head section. This way we just complete the head element. Head element के बाद हम use करेंगे children body tag, and in body tag we will use bg color attribute for background color. We use bg color attribute to set the background color orange. And now to write the heading internet, we use center tag and h1 tag. H1 tag is used for heading size. It make the text big font size, and center tag is used for the center align the text. So we use center tag and h1 tag. Now see children, center tag is a container tag. It can contain tags also and content also, and you should take care that the tag that is coming in the end will close first. In this line you will see first we have written center tag, then we have used h1 tag, and we have used a content internet. So when we will close the tags, हम पहले inner tag को close करेंगे. It means first we will just close the h1 tag and then we will just close the center tag. तो center tags के बीच में जो भी content लिखा होगा वो center align हो जाएगा. And now children, after that we will write a line definition of internet, and you will see we have used a br tag to just enter a new line break. After that we will just close our body tag, and at last we will just use /html to close the html tag. And after that children, we will save our page, and now we will just open our web page in the browser, and we will see that internet is coming with the big font because we have used h1 tag, and also it is coming in the center of the web browser because we have used center tag, and rest of the lines are coming to the left side because we have not used center tag. By default the content comes in the left side. It is set as a left align, and it is coming with the default font size. ये default font में आ रहा है क्योंकि हमने इसके लिए heading size का use नहीं किया है. So children, this way the web page will look in the browser. Now see another example. In this program we have to just show the name of flowers in the center. So children, we start our programming with HTML tag. In head section we will just use title tag to write the title, center tag to be learn, and after that children we will just close the center tag, and after that we will close the head tag because head section completes. Now we will start body tag. Children, to show everything in the center we use center tag, and now after that we will just write the name of flowers. We use br tag for line break. हम br tag का use करेंगे so that the content will come in the next line. And children, because we want to show all the information in the center, so at last we will just use /center tag to close the center tag, and then we close the body tag and close the HTML tag, and we will save our web page, and we will just see web page in the browser. We will see that complete content is coming in the center of the web browser's window because we have used center tag to center align the text. Just see another example. In this we will show the country names using heading tag and center tag. Children, as I told you, we use HTML टैग टू स्टार्ट द प्रोग्राम, हम HTML टैग से प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करेंगे. देन वी विल जस्ट कंप्लीट द हेड एलिमेंट, हम हेड एलिमेंट को कंप्लीट करेंगे. वी स्टार्ट हेड टैग, वी यूज़ title tag to show the title, we will close the title tag, and after that we will close head tag to complete head section. पहले हम head section को complete करेंगे. Then we will start body tag to show the content on the web page, and now we have to use center tag because we want to show the country names in the center of the browser window. And we are using H1 tag, heading tag, to show the heading with a big font size country names. After that children, we will use BR tag for line breaks, so country name should come in a different lines. And after that finally we just complete the close the center tag, and then we close the body tag. Finally we will close the HTML tag. After writing the HTML code children, we will save it, and now we will see in the browser, we will see that country name word is coming with the big font size in the center because we have used heading tag H1, and other text are coming in the default font size क्योंकि हमने उनके लिए कोई font size decide नहीं की है. And all the country names are coming in the center क्योंकि हमने center tag का use किया है. Now we will understand HR tag. As a name is children, it is used to insert a horizontal line between the paragraphs in a web page. Sometimes we want to just draw a line, we can use HR tag. It is a empty tag, it has a no closing tag. इसका कोई closing tag नहीं होता because it never contains anything. It has the three main attributes children that we will understand: no shade, size and width. First we will discuss no shade. No shade attribute draw a solid line which is not transparent. Solid line draw करने के लिए हम no shade का use करेंगे. Now first we will start with HTML tag and we will complete head section. हम head section में title tag का use करेंगे and whatever we write it will come on the title bar. हम जो भी title देंगे वो title bar पे appear होगा. Now children we will use body tag. बॉडी टैग में हमने बीजी कलर यूज़ किया है बिकॉज वी वांट टू सेट द बैकग्राउंड कलर येलो, एंड येलो इज़ अ वर्ड सो वी यूज़ डबल कोट्स. एंड नाउ टू जस्ट शो एवरीथिंग इन द सेंटर वी यूज़ सेंटर टैग. वी विल जस्ट राइट द हेडिंग HTML एंड वी विल जस्ट यूज़ HR टैग टू ड्रॉ हॉरिजेंटल लाइन. HR टैग के साथ हमने नो शेड एट्रीब्यूट यूज़ किया है. And then we have written a line, we have used a center tag, we have closed the center tag. Now we will close body tag and finally we will close HTML tag. Now we will see that because we have used a center tag, so complete line content is coming in the center of the browser window and कंटेंट इज़ कमिंग विद द डिफ़ॉल्ट फॉन्ट क्योंकि हमने अब की बार हेडिंग का टैग का यूज़ नहीं किया हुआ है. एंड बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट फॉन्ट कलर इज़ ब्लैक एंड वी हैव यूज BG कलर टू सेट द बैकग्राउंड कलर येलो. So this way web page will look in the browser. Now we will understand second attribute of HR tag, that is width. Width is specify the width of line across the page and it can be given in a pixel और percentage. हम width को किस में दे सकते हैं, pixels या percentage में. Now see how to give. Children, we will just use HR width equals to 50%. हम इसको अगर हमें 50% width चाहिए लाइन की तो हम HR 50% यूज़ करेंगे. And then we will just save our web page and we will see that content is coming left side and this line is a 50%. The total line from left margin to right margin will be 100%. Then it is coming, this is a 50% width of the horizontal line. So this way the width attribute works. Size attribute, it is specify the thickness of the line, it given in a pixels. हम इसमें pixels में देंगे लाइक HR नो शेड, आई हैव यूज 2 एट्रीब्यूट्स, मैंने 2 एट्रीब्यूट यूज़ किए हुए हैं, HR नो शेड साइज, देर इज नो नीड टू यूज कॉमा, कॉमा नहीं आएगा, एंड एनी एट्रीब्यूट कैन बी रिटन फर्स्ट, एनी एट्रीब्यूट कैन बी रिटन सेकेंड, and we have used size equals to 12. We have used 2 time HR tag, one is without attribute and another is with attribute. Now we will see how both the lines will come. We will see that first line is coming solid line, by default we have used HR tag, and in second HR tag we have used size 12, so thickness is increased, and no shade, due to that solid line is coming. So these are the attributes we use with HR tag. Please revise these tags and their attributes. Thank you.